ni Maxi.
Entry, yes,
Oo,
sa
yung
TikTok.
TikTok,
Yes,
oo.
yes. In
Parang
fairness, malakas mga
binabad.
fans.
Oo.
Malakas mga fans sila, Maxi Babies.
Oo.
Tawagin nila sa amin, Joe Max eh.
Jomax. Yun nga, ano sabi mo sa mga Jomax?
Wala lang, we're grateful, we're happy na natutuwa sila sa amin. So, yun. Thanks, Joe Max.
Yeah, how's the camaraderie on set?
It's already like, it's cool, it's chill. Magtotropa, we're like almost siblings na talaga rin at the same time. At nagkukulitan na kami, we make fun of each other at wala naman napipi ko, which is good.
And imagine mo, right now, Spotify is also in
Yes.
on Vibe. Oh my God.
Yes, we are super happy about that. Finally it happened because we've heard about it before pa. Pero ngayon, finally it happened.
Oh my
So,
God, it
ayun.
was even
Yes.
seeded by really PR.
Yes,
Grabe.
yes. Ayun.
And kumbaga movers and shakers in the music scene.
Yes,
We
yes.
started like, okay, what's Vibe? Vibe Jocks, okay. And
Yes.
then now, we're seeing the big picture. How do
Yes.
you feel about doing that for the OPM scene?
Super happy about it kasi finally, OPM has a platform to really showcase their talent talaga. At talagang pure OPM lang talaga, which is what we need here in the Philippines. And then now we have it.
Thank you, Joao.
Thank you so
you.
Aray!